Shah Latif, right in the beginning, in the first verse, he has many Sufi symbols. Now, the one that is most popular is chopping off your head,
Yes.
which refers to chopping off your ego. Sindhi mein kya, I don't know.
Uh,
Chopping.
Ahankar, aham.
Yeah.
Penjo aham Mario, abhaman Mario.
So, now why did they get the imagery of chopping the head? Because of the gallows. We always use the imagery as poets to what we see around, right? So he wrote that. So instead of talking more, I'll read. It'll come to it. Listen, ignorant one, neither lover nor beloved, neither creator nor creation is he. This secret disclosed to seekers of perfection. The Lord reflects his own image, becomes his own beloved, embraces his own creation. He is that, this, life, death, friend, enemy, breath of breath is he. One palace, numerous doors,